Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. This is already textured because it's recycled canvas and I'm going to have some fun. I've decided I'm going to use some Vivid Intense Quinacridone Magenta and some Alizaran Rose and some Red Violet. But first, what am I going to do first? First, I think I'm going to take a little bit of this Amsterdam white that has regular Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. Give myself some white background on top of the white I have of course already. Now paint, once it's on here, it seems to me it soaks in fairly quickly. I got a few colors I don't need in my way. I'll wipe that off. And some black. Oh, I've got white mixed in. I was hoping I could avoid that, but I figured it might happen. Because I like gray anyway. So why don't I take advantage of the moment? Wipe that off again. I want some gold. See how I feel about it once I get it on here. Now's the time for me to decide what I want to do. I love this Alizaran Rose, so I'm hoping that it's going to inspire other color combinations. As long as it's open. That's quite a bit. Might be fairly quick, and it did inspire me. It made me think of Blue Velvet. But what I have out is Midnight Shadow, so I'll have to grab a little bit of Blue Velvet in a minute. And maybe, since it's here already, some Indigo Violet. Really loving that Alizaran Rose though. I keep being called to saffron and I'm not sure it's time yet. but it might be in a minute. I think the Wild Orchid is coming first. And if I'm fast enough, I might be able to use something like a toothy tool in here. Nice thing about a dry canvas is you can move paint easily. This is definitely about mark making. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. I wanted to put a dish, and I have a dish. Down. Grab some saffron. Let's try a little bit of my jasmine. It's very close to the alizaran rose. That makes me want Tuscan Sun. Which I am running low on. I definitely need to be wiping off my spatula in between. Don't like that up there. Don't mind it over there. Just want a little bit less of it. Pretty sure it's going to be very green if I'm not careful. Turn this around and look at it from another direction. Wipe off my spatula in between. I'm thinking I've got some, I've got a tack under my bottle. Got some Royal Sapphire mixed with Floetrol because I was trying to clean out a bottle. Doesn't even seem like it wants to come out. That's like a wash. That's pretty cool, actually. I like it. I think I might want to do it again. Carefully. Don't prefer to interrupt that Tuscan Sun. I put some orange up there and I shouldn't have. But a little jasmine. I'm not feeling the necessity to use any toothy tools yet, but that doesn't mean it couldn't still happen. Definitely want to change the vertical orientation of everything. something more organic. Being called to blue again. Blue velvet. I want something, I've got periwinkle. I love this color. This is a Vivid Intense. The blue velvet is a Prizm pour. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, by the way. So if you're looking for a coupon code, you're going to find one. I don't want to get rid of every bit of white. And I want a little more purple. I kind of want African violet, actually. That's a Prizm pour. Liking all that. Not 100% on that yet. You watch, I'll accidentally get rid of all that negative space that I really want to hang on to some of. I don't want to mix things too thoroughly or they'll turn to mud. I have a lot more saffron there than I need, I have discovered. If I turn this dish around, I might get some of the jasmine where I want it. Sorry about my head. It might be time to use a toothy tool if I'm going to do it. It might be time to just pick up my paint with my spatula and swap some of it, splat. Because I've wanted to try that. I think I'm going to use a little French silk. I may use some chain. I'm definitely going to use some of the red violet. Oh, it's important to take the right top off. That could have been a really interesting. I think I'm going to throw some alizarin rose in there as well, because that might loosen it all up because it's a thinner mixture. Well, whoop, dripping. And that was Quinacridone Magenta. That's kind of fun, to tell you the truth. I might take another Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and take off my residuals. That works better. Way better. Smaller spatula. It's all about the colors. I might be tempted to move that. I want a little yellow. want a little more yellow. I think I'm going to put it right into my dish. I thought I was going to use some shiny taffeta. I've got some sour lemon. I need to make more. Sour lemon with a little orange crush. I need to make more of a lot of things. And there's the Tuscan Sun. I've got a bunch of, where is my Isadora? I've got a few minutes. So I finally discovered a tool that works for me. And that's just too much fun. I recommend this. I must be almost done though. Hey, I can pick it up and use it again. Jackson Pollock eating his heart out. I'm thinking about some blue before I'm done. Let's get rid of this first. Give me a moment. Maybe I'll just have to use something different. I've got a smaller dish that might work equally as well. It's got some paint dried in it, shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, I really want some blue, and I think this Floetrol, this Royal Sapphire and Floetrol will be great. A little bit of Midnight Shadow in there. A little bit of the Red Violet Vivid Intense. Kind of want some light blue. This is the Blue Velvet. Let's see if I can find that Blue Violet. I've got Chantilly lace with Prussian violet in it. If I can get it to open and pour out. Oh, it's looking good. Wipe the yellow off. How much fun is that? I love that. Who knew? Alright, I love you guys. I got 1 minute to shimmer this at you. So let me give it a shot. It looks like some artist's studio floor. Oh, I've got some really cool stripes in there too. That's pretty much fun as heck. I'll do that again. Now that I've discovered the Princeton Artil Catalyst spatulas are the best paint throwing tool I can imagine, I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. My battery's going to die. Please share my videos. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and they help my standing on YouTube. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. They keep me painting. Thank you for joining the membership. There's over 200 videos in the membership-only library. My Amazon link is on the Linktree. The Linktree has a couple of websites. Legallerist, Pinterest, Society 6. Underneath the video you have spring clothing. You can have my designs reproduced almost anywhere. I'm loving this. I'm going to torch. I see some bubbles. But otherwise, I'm good to go. Please leave me a comment. Your comments boost my morale, and questions are welcome. My email address